Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to build a circle or progress chart looking like this. I think it's a pretty nice way to illustrate how far you have come in different projects or different parts or whatever you want to show. It doesn't take too much space, especially if there are a big difference between some of the projects or what you measure, then it will just continue with the same space. So I think it's quite nice looking. So I'm going to show you how to create this one. So let's start by copying this data that we have here, paste it over here. And now I will actually add another column here, which is 1 minus 18%. So now I have all the percentages, the progress, and from this part, I will do my chart. I go into Insert, Donut. Then I'll click here, choose Select Data, and switch rows and columns. So let's make it a bit bigger, like that. I'll remove the chart title, and I'll remove the legend. So now it's starting to look a little bit like this. The next thing I want to do is to remove all the orange part, or basically make them white with no borders. And to do that, I mark, and then I have to make sure that I mark just that part. So basically click 2 times. And then right click, I choose no fill and no outline. So now you can see I have removed that part. I will do the same for the other 4, but you don't need to look at that. It's just waste of time for you. The next step is to do those lines a bit wider. By doing that, I'll just click in here, and then I have donut hole size, and that's on 75%. I'll actually change that to 40%. And now it starts to look a bit better. If you look at this chart, you can see that it's a little bit wider lines in between bars. To fix that, I'll mark this bar and I take outline and white outline and I do it a bit bigger, 2 1/4. I could also make it green like that. And I'll do the same for the rest of them. Make it green, and I'll do the outline a bit wider. I'll do the same for the rest of the 3 here. So now it's starting to looking quite nice. What's left is the frame and the text. Fixing the frame is quite easy. It's just marking, set the outline to green and a little bit thicker. So I would say 2.5 points like that. For the headers and for the percentages, there are actually not a really good way in Excel to put them here automatically. So what you will do is to insert a text box. In the text box, we go up here in the formula section and put equal, and then we mark the cell we want to have and enter. And I will actually do the same for the rest of them. And then we do the same thing for the percentages. And now we're done. We have our circular performance chart. Quite nice looking. If you like this video, please hit the bell button, like and subscribe. Comment, that will help with the algorithm. And see you soon in the next video. Thank you.